Hi, welcome to Kartaviti classes with Richa Sharma. Today we will discuss about the different part of and the different organelles present inside the cell. So there are two kind of cell, one is plant cell, one is animal cell. In both the cell there are three important part. One is outer covering, second one is middle part, and the third one is center. So the outer covering of plant cell as well as animal cell is called plasma membrane, but in case of plant, to give extra support and rigidity to the plant, one extra layer is present, that is called cell wall. It is made up of calcium pectate, and the plasma membrane which gives protection to the cell is made up of lipid and protein. So it is called lipoprotein. Now the second most part is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm are the liquid kind of the gel kind of thing present inside the cell, and it gives support, rigidity and protection to the different cell organelles present inside the cell. The different cell organelles present inside the cell in the cytoplasm are endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, nucleus, nucleolus, Golgi body, centrioles and many more. Mitochondria, these different organelles present inside the plant cell as well as in animal cell, they perform different kind of function. They have separate function, and all together these all different cells all together they perform their function, and it is very much important for the function of the cell. The third most part is nucleus. Nucleus is also having a membrane outside, that is called nuclear membrane. It is also made up of lipid and protein, two-layer membrane it is, and inside like cytoplasm, here also a jelly kind substance is present, that is called nucleoplasm, and in the center of nucleus, nucleolus is present. Inside the nucleolus, our genetic material chromosomes are present where DNA and RNA are present. This nucleus provides the control house. It controls the function of the cell. So altogether there are three main part of the cell. One is outer covering, that is cell membrane or plasma membrane. In plant cell, one extra layer, that is called cell wall. It gives support and rigidity. Inside the cell membrane, the second most part, that is called cytoplasm, which is the site of presence of different cell organelle, and inside that nucleus is present, which is control house of the cell. So these were about the different cell organelles. Now in next video I will tell you in detail the function of different cell organelles present. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you for watching.